everyone. So I am going to start the Vedic maths class crisscross method, as earlier I have taken the part 1 in which I have explained you the multiplication process involved in multiplying a 2-digit number by another 2-digit number. Now in part 2 I am going to explain you the multiplication process involved in multiplying a 3-digit number by another 3-digit number. So as the rule, it also follows I cross I method, but there are 5 steps. I will firstly explain you the steps, and with the help of examples I will explain this method. So be attentive to the concept. Here I have made 3 stars. These 3 stars represent the 3-digit number, and below 3 stars represent the 3-digit number. Similarly, all the stars represent the 3-digit number, and this is I formation and this is cross formation. In the next step, C part, there is a cross formation, 3 dots, cross formation and I formation. So in the fourth step, there is again the same 3-digit number, and in the left hand side I had formed the cross. In the last step I have formed I. With the help of examples you will able to understand the concept very easily. This method is not more tough and amazing. It will help you to solve the multiplication, the 3-digit number by another 3-digit number in an amazing and quick method, and you will be master of this crisscross method in spite of the manual method. So if you have joined the Vedic maths, be attentive, be careful to learn the new techniques of Vedic maths, to how to solve calculations in seconds instead of wasting time in a basic manual methods. So Vedic maths is very interesting nowadays. If you learn the concept of Vedic maths calculation, you will excel in your school as well as also in the competitive exams if you are going to do. So be enthusiastic, be motivated, motivate yourselves and practice these methods daily at your home. I will also provide you the worksheets to solve this crisscross method type questions. Firstly, you understand the concept. After completion of the concept of the crisscross method, I will share the PDFs of worksheet so that you can practice at home and learn the new method and easy calculation method of tricks. So here we go with the examples of the crisscross method of 3-digit number by another 3-digit number. So wow, be enthusiastic like me to learn and master the Vedic maths calculations. So here is the method with example. Let us multiply two numbers having 3-digit numbers where there is no carryover involved. In this method I am taking those examples where there is no carryover method involved. In the first step we have to form the I. I have taken the example 121 multiplied by 302. If I multiply 2 into 1, I get 2. As suggested by step A, we multiply 1 into 2 and get the answer as 2. As 1 into 2 is 2. In the second step, what I form? Cross. This is a cross. 121 multiplied by 302. Here I have to form the cross. 1 into 0 and 2 into 2. So 1 into 2, as earlier I have done, it comes out to be 2. Then 2 into 2 is 4. This step is complete. The next step is cross and I. So here we go. Consider this. This is cross. 1 into 2, 2. 3 into 1, 2 into 1, 2. Then 2 into 0, 0. And 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3. 2 plus 3 comes out to be 5. Okay. 1 into 2 as it is. Then 4 here. How we get this number? 3 into 1, 1 into 2. Okay. 3 into 1, 1 into 2. So 3 ones are 3, 2 ones are 2. When we add 3 with 2, we get 5. So we get the another number. It comes out to be 5, 4, 2. There are more steps. In the fourth step, I have formed cross as I have initially shown you this cross. So till here we have solved, but how comes out to be 6? Cross. Okay, we have to cross multiply these numbers. So 1 zeros are 0, 3 2s are 6. If we add 6 plus 0, it comes out to be 6. It is correct. So I am telling once more. 1 zeros are 0, 3 2s are 6. If I add 6 plus 0, it comes out to be 6. In the last step, there is I formation. This is I. 3 ones are 3. So here I get 3. Okay. So the complete answer comes out to be 3136542. 36542 is the answer. Wow. It is amazing, is it? Have you find it easy or difficult? If you solve by it yourself and practice more, you will get master like me. I have given you one example. Do this question as your homework and comment and answer your practice the method and answer in the comment section after doing and after understanding the concept as I have told you. Then solve this question and comment me. I will wait for your answers. So it's an interesting method to multiplication of 3-digit number by another 3-digit number using the criss-cross method without wasting your time. Once you able to learn the trick and you will be able to follow this method, you will solve the multiplication of 3-digit number by another 3-digit number in just 2 or 3 seconds without wasting any carryover method, any method. So be conceptual, be understanding the Vedic math tricks. It will save your calculation time and you will become the human computers. Don't panic. Initially you will find little much difficult, but later on you are able to learn the tricks. You will master the Vedic math concepts, and in your class, family, friend circle, society, you can mentally solve the question. So how motivating this method Vedic maths is. So learn this Vedic math and score good marks in your school exams and competitive exams. Master the Vedic maths with Reena ma'am. Subscribe my channel Word of Maths and Science. I will come to the part 3, multiplication of 4-digit number with another 4-digit number with crisscross method in the next video. Keep on learning. I will also provide the worksheet after completing the crisscross method part 1, part 2, part 3. So be attentive in and be focused to learn the Vedic math.